So what you're telling me is you weren't even in town the night of the murder. You were...
I was in Las Vegas, visiting my grandfather. You know, in Nevada.
No way. I thought I was in Utah.
Oh, shut up.
Well, no one can hear you talk when you're behind bars.
I'll have you prosecuted for this, detective.
Calm down, ladies.
Okay, it just so happens we find evidence of you being at the crime scene. Blood, fingerprints, all that jazz. And to top it all off, you're in Las Vegas that night. Sounds like a pretty crazy alibi to me.
Listen, you got it all wrong here. I was with my grandfather the whole time. You can ask him.
Well, that's the thing. We did.
Well, I have long-term memory loss, so as far as I know, I don't have a grandson.
Now wait just a minute. Get those cuffs away from him, young man.
Stay out. He's under arrest for the murder of the Roseanne TV show.
What are you talking about? That's great. Let him out. He's free. Yes.
Nice cover-up. Now, where do we hide the tweets?